up?
I can't
I almost went through the drive-thru again. We were gonna have to get more ice cream.
We're on a trip. Actually, we're on the way to get up. Are we on a trip? Does this count?
Yes.
We're on a trip. We're flying to
Seattle.
And then
Alaska.
yeah! So if you guys voted on the poll and you voted Alaska for where we're going for our anniversary, you would be right. But if you voted for Colorado, you're also kind of right, because after Alaska, we're going to Colorado to ski.
So you just put trick questions on there? It's kind of rude.
I mean, we're going to Alaska for our anniversary. We're not going to be in Colorado for our anniversary. We're going after our anniversary.
That's a good point.
It's kind of part of the same trip, though.
Don't put that there.
Well, where do I put this?
In the rectangle.
No, I'm going to put it here. This is where my thing's going to go. I completely forgot about the fact that I had a camera in my backpack, so I didn't vlog anything about getting on the plane or at the airport or whatever. But we have made it to Alaska. There's snow on the ground. Look at our view out of our hotel room. It's so pretty.
I didn't think there was going to be snow here.
You're silly. There's cool mountains over there. And there's, what's that water called?
I don't want to... It's part of the Cook Inlet. It's one of the forks of the... I'm trying to learn the area. Don't really know the area yet.
We got into the airport around midnight, Anchorage time. And we got to the hotel around 1 a.m. Anchorage time, which is 5 a.m. our time in Virginia. So we are tired a little bit. We slept until like 8 a.m. here.
Yeah. We didn't really get to sleep till like 2. And then our bodies are like, it's 7 a.m. Wake up. And so we only had like 5 hours of sleep. Look, moose next 3 miles.
Watch out for moose.
Do I get points for that?
That's Alaska points.
Yeah, Alaska points for moose next 3 miles.
What are we doing, Gray?
We're gonna get some food. We're exploring Anchorage a little bit because we got nothing planned for today. We're gonna take a ride along the water. It'll be water on one side, mountains on the other. Should be very pretty. Do we have any Alaskan fans? You should teach us, some terminology, some pronunciation, some geography. But it's a beautiful area. I can't wait to get to know it better.
Can't wait to live here.
We're gonna do that.
The main purpose of this trip is to look for apartments and get familiar with the area so we know kind of where we want to live and options, because we're not going to really be able to like fly up here and tour places as they become available. So we want to like get a sense for everything, and then we know, so when they become available we can just be like, we want that place, and then we can reserve the apartment.
Yeah, and if you have ideas for adventures we should take in Alaska, there will be plenty of time for that over the next year.
Yeah, so leave them in the comments.
Like, we could do that.
Oh my gosh, look at the parking lots. Like the parking lots. Oh no. So the parking lots in Alaska, they don't plow them. So they're just like 5 inches of ice. No, not 5 inches, probably like 3 inches.
It's a solid 3. But there's holes in them that are melting and people are getting stuck in the holes.
Yeah.
So I gotta be very careful here.
So like, this is just, that's kind of crazy. That
Make sure we're
there's
actually
that much ice.
At the...
Wait, this is the food place?
It should be in here somewhere.
Here we are doing the pretty drive.
That's right. Walk on these paths if you want.
Oh, the train tracks just took away the view of the water.
Trains on all the brakes.
There's icy water over there.
Believe us.
Yes,
The water, it's got ice in it. the whole deal. Pretty warm today. It's 41 degrees out, which is like pretty dang warm for Anchorage.
People are just wearing sneakers and just walking on the ice in the parking lot. I haven't seen anyone slip yet, so apparently Alaskans are just very skilled. Yeah, ice on the water. That's a lot of ice.
Whoa, it's really light.
It's doing the ice.
Yeah.
This is what state park?
Chugach.
Okay, so we don't know. We don't know how to say it.
We're working on it. We're learning.
The road recommended we stop here to take pictures, so we're gonna.
This is called Beluga Point. Do you remember how we used to drive about 45 minutes from Charlottesville to that one spot?
Yeah, to look out.
To like talk.
Mm-hmm.
This could be
our new spot where we just drive and sit here and talk.
No trespassing by order of
sunset.
Alaska Railroad Corporation. Those people
those
over there
kids,
didn't get the message.
Yeah, they're trespassing.
Yeah, you have to cross the railroad tracks to get over there.
Just talking about how there's mountains
With snow.
with snow right at sea level.
I assume they were at sea level because there's
There's
the
water.
which is
And how you can't see that in Colorado because you're already like very high up. So this is very similar.
you got it.
Very similar to where we were last year.
Yeah.
There were mountains. We were at like sea level. But you know, it was a lot warmer. If you haven't seen our Hawaii vlogs, you should watch those.
You should.
We made it to the ski place that Gray wanted to get to.
Yeah, but we're not going skiing.
No, we're not.
Well, not now.
Not yet.
This is just a place that I wanted to look at because we might go skiing later.
Sometime when we're in Alaska.
Next winter when we live here.
And also it was a good stopping place to turn around.
Right. You can see the people coming down. This is Alyeska.
Yeah, that looks super steep.
This is Alyeska Ski Resort.
All these rocks are dating and they're rad. We stopped at this little stop on the side of the road and we just wanted to go up and see if it's pretty. That's all. Let's go see if it's pretty.
Moving and proven rivers of ice.
See if you can see in here. You see the ice?
So there's this frozen
Swamp.
There's this frozen
Swamp.
marsh.
Swamp.
It's a marsh, not a swamp.
Swamp.
And it's frozen.
Gray wants to step in it.
I want to go step in it.
Should I just film you from the car?
Yeah.
Okay. What a doofus. Stepping in the swamp. Do 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 do. Go step in it. He's stepping on the swamp. Watch him fall through. That would be hilarious. Now he's gonna ice skate on the swamp. Now he's gonna dance on the swamp. You are a doof.
I thought I was gonna punch through and it was gonna be really satisfying, but I forgot it's Alaska, so it's frozen solid.
I wanted you to fall through too. Thought that would have been funny.
It's probably like a foot deep, and it's probably frozen for
Yeah.
the entire foot.
Yeah, probably.
There was a bald eagle over here earlier. Looks like it was eating a fish or something. Should I take any pictures here? Does it get spot for a picture?
Do you want to take pictures?
Yeah, I kind of do want to get a picture. I'm gonna go back.
Stepping on the swamp. Do 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 do.
Marsh.
Swamp.
It's not a swamp.
Behind the scenes of Gray taking photos. He was just laying on the ground. I turned the camera on because he was laying on the ground, but now he got back up. Tell me about the day we're having.
It's hard to find apartments. That's stressful.
Yes.
But we're also here to enjoy ourselves. So this is a frozen lake, and we're gonna enjoy what you can do on a frozen lake without ice skates, which is kind of just walk near it.
We're just de-stressing at this frozen lake. My fingers are so cold. I didn't put my
gloves?
I didn't bring my gloves. I didn't think we were going to be out here very long. Wow, what a pro ice skater. I gotta put the camera away because I need to put my hands in my pockets.